What's your favorite food here?
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
Sorry, Ediane Park or Senko Ediane.
If you want to eat any food, you have to come to Osenko Ediane Park.
You can come and have a taste of their food. It's very nice.
I always come here. This is like my 10th time of coming here.
Ediane come on.
Local dishes, Ediane Bia, Ediane Pabedidi.
Wow, Shenamna. Wele, your my dear BB and MBA. I had a 7 appear bedidi eco viral. I would order Johnny. You are bringing it right there at your doorstep. And see a Johnny pay fee. Mumina Johnny Park. Now, Hannah Johnny Papa walk. You were easily gone. Boundary Road. Opposite the self-filling station.
Akwa Shonko and Goma Wibia Sabri Waji Pressure to my GHSO. Nasa Eshemude way Efa Eyawayimu and Sama Abba Yedika and Nemetsu Konya Mediba Besomo. Na Eyakwese or Manganimu and Sembi Wa Okoka Ayanukra Crasset Day Grumpa Mount 40 Crapanet on Ye. I didn't know I can pray every way. Assembly and America won't ask them. And Jebia and Yedibesumo Elayan in Tiasa Ekaye, every Resurrection Power Chapel International, so Penny or Dano, and Savannah Aircoswana catch it. Na a fan of Pomodi and Ensem. Na ye Quaswa Coco for me story artist, ye friend, ne associate pastor, the former associate pastor, no so Ben, I will name the one time as well confirm Mr. Pastor. One also sound what is an echo so, and medicine, sorry, and many be so yet 2 months and more. Sound almost what if you are sure by a kind of gun of fancy as the only I drink, and baby for who crowd the immediate. One more family ring to Mchana the papa and so, it may be and say, many in tear, and my bomber man here, na mapel a moon create at the assume. Now, still now, no, and some qua and a air costume. I just say, with your fork, a yan, na yari. Shemu ensem anampo na pomodimu ensem metre eye Reverend Anthony Kojobwache onu so peni awoda eye Resurrection Power Chapel International no eye akoye bibia o san say according to the etete no be say enna kakra ni na wochi bebre ni so wo mu hunu asori ma na asha say hi wo pe no pray wo ensem no emu enu tie wesa kotie eye audio a ye hwehwemu ye saka ye confirm say wo yare na ye ba emu nsem aba echire dia manfo abedi abebata ho ene dia ekwaso ne yasa e dia ka ho e dia somo e wodwede ye emu saa so ena eye prophet Najigeze akwese die still now want no wate e wo ye IGP meeting a wone soma wodo o manga na mumpanifo eye I just said no wo musi gina ye se ene wo hye nkom na onim se fa ye wo bi ewu obewu ana se bidi e bi ehu beba dia na se wakoche permit e dey fit na se okay, we are now the evidence true to one at the Bible tape. So now question prophet Najigeze want to know say won say police for betwe si surgery e dey fa ye kusosu na say ediye e wan nam so amana je several fa ba say da bi IGP still na no meet your ye no anyem ye anko ye say wo mu a ensem no fa wo mu krampo no ya sofa na edifo no krampo no omu ba kumpo niwa meet na se no mu obi dress asem no one pound the stage na one man go ahead what this item no ebeto abonti na hoso nsem no ye be na ebiebie mu na yaka e wodwumede yi eso nti so abaki a ene jebre han ho e wakonya utimo anase mpa woda so na bebi a wo bia ne mmodi na miafo no send e wo so na frɛ wo bibia betimi afrɛ no so mbra on board no me join dwumede na se bia ntimi enkoye na koso no na wo so de wadwenkyerɛ wo nsɛm bisa e fa live chat no mu e de eso na se me kan ye no ye gotie audio confirm say eye Resurrection Power Chapel of Penny ye also for Anthony Kojobwache na pomodin ewonsem de koye ye kotie emra ye ba ya shenko no edifi ho
ma Reverend Kwame Sefa Fepon na mimi kase
E pacho ane
macho via boko
na mena mo Bible na won se heaven ko pa na pacho mo so e
Mr. Mehuye, too much GH na NAFO na ina nintie se so for penny awoda Resurrection Power International Chapel ano ye so for bache sisi na pamudin ensemu nye kakra no kresa
me pacho kana menso mateno me fa mani hu die but kana menso mateno
Na daben ne eba so they see daben na sisi aso no etesen edman.
Come we see ye mentimi enche da enchira usisi.
Okay.
But yet you were enframemu na ye checks and so ya ye ni se ampa ye me papa na pumudin enche da enye. So I won't buy bomu estre erade se onye ya papa emaye.
Okay.
Oye eduma pa o kana ha. Ni kwegu ni na no edos.
Okay.
Yen buy bonu se estre erade. Onye no emaye itanse onu ne mampa. So mampa dia omo modin se en kweta dia tini ya kwedia. Onye na kwa mama na pumuti said that they do more action obetini ewie no.
Oh, okay. Na sisi ano o hwe pesen otimi keka no kakra wonya hoden a odi tuna na mo kakra na so na no yare na kana ato.
Me pato sisi ade mini so o ayare hwebia a o hwe mo yare a sisi an information na nyane se na me atom or responding to treatment. A doctor for a day man. It's immediately the Bible count one. Or else a full young coupon of me as an area.
Na the see and senate no sorry no to one more homogena alpha Genesia be their phone or motu and movie that find someone send the area in a pumudin I want them.
For now, maybe I saw him when it was so 80 and chile bomarding said Papa no Ebenya and Moto. It's answer Ghana ha and run a while to be area, but the other in a pony Sabia. And see, meaning say, I saw him when it was in almost should be for finish. Omo bomber is a Papa so Ebenya Irish. Meaning say, once on my Sabia. I rather say in your Habanian fat a journey radio. A man of the phone in here and written on post in Kusia. To go with me, I just don't mean get there. But you never count an empire bono. Let's reckon a for. Let's say Ubiara. Let's sorry now. There a future phone and the absolute. Only in I am fat or dog and moon near Montpire. Na I rather so emblem mine. Na so no oba mu a ade nyina be yi
na we no be metwem Ghana fondo na say so for bompaye men ko fonya o ma yaresa timi ma bie kwan ma manfo enya apomudin papa na say asemwe etuna den empaye no na aba foma na ade enti na akoba misa ana so for so ye ni paten ana
I think the back Bible Elijah, no, you do focus here. The person go.
Empire no correct.
I know Bompire ma Ubinyaba. But a radical Apolano, one more Elijah man, or see Windy a radical. A radical.
Okay.
Anything I assume more you do. You I really like chemical media. Nipa wo ho a wo ba te twuma kakra eno nkire se ompaye na no abrate ba so ye nipa yi se wa anye wa ho mekwa na ya dwuma da bia na stress e ka ho enti enye ne mpaye bo a na se obo mpaye mankofo esa enya ya resenti aya sa ka se oduyefo enti ni na dwuma no aha enti me find enye ne mpaye bo na akofo a na se tuye ba de ma no na asa e mo ye ni penti ye di aduane a chemicals do nti by all means dan ma we na betinye
esi ampa na ya amanfo dodo na ka se asofo ankasa no dwuma mo ye no ya ne dodo na mu odwuma mo esumo mo na nso o ma bu mu di hu nsem ya wo mo empe enhye so for but is an what on your brain share na pomuden ho nsem se ho se ene bi asem so na wo kan de na ye die ni nyama papa no high so akwa pass e timu anti ntimi nye hwemfo ade ya pe apomuden ho nsem ehwe asofo so na moduma no akwa honhom akwan ti na se de bi ada enu an wo mu so start stress the brain nti enu bi na ato so for ana se ono no pe na pomuden ho nsem ka
oye nipa ba ko a watai echeche ne ma egu ni na se omumfo makomudin serious pa oye nipa ba ko bi a ne ti se odwe na pomudin ho so egu ha no akata me ko akaka check na ito oye obi a oye health conscious person
okay
but when we use the and can be brave it's on the Bible say ade ni na yam pass down me wade
okay
ewade no nim do oye eno ti na me say Ghana to nyina mo me mo modern na ya mo mpaye agibifo ya mo mpaye na ya kan chero ade se na poa owu ni mo bono nsa na yare maye
okay ready be come hona ya kai no empire bom e da se so o je enso
na me to e shira me pa ma fa mo
oh ya da ma se bye bye
yo bye
ebusuafo se na mekae no saa so ne yakotie ajaba ebiemu no yasasi so bia se anokwasem se papa no na pomudi ehun sem akoka edwam kakra wo yare amate so woje ayarehwe se ne yakotie na enunti na mapia be mabedafo ewo ha se ensemi se na aba se na Ghana fo bi efa no na ni chichu sorry mani bi efa no eni eye die nti omo fa ne sa ne dia ba echemia no mo bo amena pe ye komodie ne etimi e bia hyem ne bia mu nsem ne etimi aka na mana kosie nti bo ne ma ye mabedafo akwaba ye Mr. Ben Bruce wajija de mu biem sa so e na Empress and Rihanna obepem we fi ase so wa krado se woni yen ebeko eye enkomo yi emu me mo kwaba
Yeah.
utimi die won se ba mo din
Enyanko.
Rihanna we na bo me na abom ba ko so abamati e say de we promotion man pa etime do bi emu a
We are self promo.
ane ase me mo abaso ye ntina
Mamu bro.
ye bre adintia
Diti ko she jemusa.
Debut. Eno so e.
e de ti ko je de mu sesen
Nyamiam.
wo mu so ba bi adi se ko je de mu
Nyami ye bia mo mpe. Nyami de be pa na nyami ye mo.
ya ho for the man
Me tira o ya o mpe.
ye ni pedu aye pe
Wanu yi. Se na nyami bo. Wakan. Uti bia mo.
Ana pe o ba.
I need for television.
O ba
For television.
Semba samo tete.
Okay, so e o fe tina so hwe.
Se ja.
Ye pe nyame pen sa ba mo so mo pe bi for front. Ye o fe won say wo hwe.
Emi da ga natural beauty.
Open natural
Nyame bo.
o be na meti ana me nima ye bi for frank o won sem ka
me medum channel.
o won sem ka. Ye fa nkomodi ni hihye so e wo sa kwa so na no mo akwa ba me de me ti sama ko mo gin nsem bi ya okay e o ma fa mo shim.
Ayo adiasi yakos.
O dem mi say won ni problem bi ha. Dem sika sem she ko to. Unya problem am so unya problem.
Mate.
Okay. Boss we dey mami enra enkomo mo fa o sha se. Yeah, Reverend Anthony Kojopo ache. Ye tese wo yare ye. Tama ye te ye prampo na every month nya fa metu daw. Na e bo mo tin adwedwe mu a de kope na sofo ni bia na obi a enim so obetimi aka ne nsema chen. And we chire mu so an kwasem no so tesa we free bisase sa na wo say ahin sa na etie na we ni bantu wo yare na ya ba ne de be so mahwefo ye de mu evidence account da so wo say jai we comment section ya mi aya to say baby am free crap me show pass wo mu improve crap comment
section no na how
am sad because ekejuma no but ekejuma no but the very fact is say so for yare ni aka kesi nka ya kan do so for na won so mba de kan ne call for prayer na ke bia bom na pa ya ka bara so na obeya ma obi bia no bi o ya ko na so timi jire mu pompa ya na ka ya so ya fa to ye so na ke jire mu pompa ya man but anko ba ne sa adenti na mpendo do na se e ba ne se o so for ke je ma na kwa se de ni kana ya kana so ya da ye ntimi nka ni akata so obe wukrampa obi otimi wukra 3 weeks ni ntimi nka because wo ko ka na akwa se de Ubeni wo ubone uto some style bi. Di ntina man for who soft asofo nti se Nyankopon no me bisa asem.
Me share what here for no be a share. Se Nyankopon oyare. Nyankopon oyare.
Onyankopon dey want me yare.
You see, Nietia sorry man. Re fi so me nipa ne say. Asofo bebre carry on so me nyam. Yes.
Any adwuma o mo ye ntina man.
No, you see those times na asofo ayen no. Umoma, ye servants of God.
Okay.
That is the word. But as I say no asofo aba no. Projected to say nim nyame adwen. Tie di yo.
Itie.
Wo ba ye crusade. Wo se bra na mesa oyare. Bi kra sa week no nyame nya na adwe so obesa obi yare. What did I make an say? Of course, nyame hwe wonim eno na moni no. Hwe nipa time ni nyame time o. Say nipa time nyame time a Abraham with all the promises na nyame de man no. An kwantwe ma ne mo akokora sa na wa mana wo.
Sir
Abraham ha ye. Edu ba bi no apaba.
Okay.
Edu ba bi na obo nyame so wo. Say aden blessings be me de eden. Ebe ni ma ba na nyame se twen. Because all time any nyame time. Nieti a ye hu omusa no. Oma ye ohu to say enyame nam. But who ye nipa? De bia me ka kire me obia say nyame nipa otusu no oni obi nko consultation.
Say the ordinary ye the juma.
Yes, ultimate to so bia nipa hu no bi ultimate to so.
Okay.
Ye don't throw a onam ye mu no de ye adwuma. We are nothing. Iti ye hu saa na ye bre ye ho ase a o yare obi bete wase. Na wotimi agina so eka kire wo say your friend is saying elections in Ghana I just wo waka. Adan nyame bo wiase na agina ho. Ana na oma oponko ahode no wo na aka kire say oma oponko no za ahode. Ana say na wiase no ode hangi universe no wo na wo kire na say onye no. We shouldn't behave like gods because we are not gods. Yes. Nyame pa che say we ye software. Ma sorry for ni who say we ye nipa. We ye fallible. Ye ka so be ye fallible o to me hwe ase. Me software e hwe ase me ya na nyame nwa because o ye nipa.
Okay.
But we ye won to say we ye nyame a we hwe ase a eye nwa. Me o nyame hwe ase.
Sir.
Nyame kwa ye mistake. Onu bibi o ye bia no true. There's no mistake. Something na nipa say ye hu asofo say nyame. De bia me ka say da Yesu beba no. Yesu gina ha. Na ekofo asofo ni gina ho be dwane akoma asofo nche no mo gya Yesu.
Sir.
Yes, because ya asofo no all directed attention to themselves. It's of directed towards Christ, who should be the center of our world. It is said no bia hwa wo hwe na sofo asemba is of obekot ni koto adwani mo bompa ye akire Yesu Kristo no because of sofo bompa ye ma me am no beto me obi kwa sorry wakotie preaching na wie no wa hu sofo go fie da because onim said sofo dey can be kire me sofo enyame sofo nyame sofo ti se me ne wo e ya adumi keke na nyame e dey afa ne mu onyo bia iti until I be my members na hu sa no say na be ye o yare ana ekofo e woda na sofo say yare go Yesu ba wa yare because o nyame say Yesu o ka say I am no o wo tumi say o ka say I am but wo a wo ka I am a wo need to be for you to say I am because you are not God, you are human being. Say udu ba bi na sofo ya dia Holy Spirit ne ba ni mu a sometimes o wie kwa bi say e dey no yon kai because they are just a vessel. That is what you need to know.
Okay.
Also for what me yare bit me bo. Normal.
Okay.
But the way I carry a one ye ma omo who say ye to me bibia nti yare a na kwa ye say me pray. Eno na ye mu. So what I say?
Ayo, mesa ba so be one asem no kakra bi wo mu a me hira ho nya me won ti ase wo. Empress.
Yes, darling.
Dear Mesa Bembus can only ya being said asofo no bi yo mo se nyame nti no mo yare a e amafo ho ana.
Me no ba meda wasena mechia too much ahwefo nyina na afei so ne medical ya kan say SMB say no, I comments be near the Abana Ocase. Who dear chat?
And then you do.
I think never her. Almost you need not to prove yourself.
I almost say you can't comment by a
yes. But the issue is that Nyame asofo. Nyame yusu nipa. Abra Yesu Kristo baye na obeye n'edwuma no. Otete ebimu. Efa entrechre mu. Ekwan a yefa so eye Nyame edwuma.
Okay.
Because na onim se emrebi beba oni ho biem. Na wo baby wo anase bibi hya wonsa na wo hwe so a e wo se utimi train obi na nipa no se wo ni ho a watimi esiwanem ahwe so sa na Yesu Kristo beyeye.
Okay.
Enti ne time so ye okoye onwa a oja o machi no osan ma honkonkon ne ba won so ebo di adwuma enu no mo di aye adwuma saa na nne aduru ye nso yesu ya ye mu bi mu nso edi sa adwuma no eye adwuma. Na ade baako a ewo mu no se abra esuafo no eye nyamedwuma no na amanfo kokotie nkyerɛnkyerɛ no ekodu baabi mu ebi mu tie a wotie ni saa keke na wokɔ to se asɛm a nipa no ɛka se ne ɔka no ɛyɛ papa ana se ɛnyɛ papa yenye nhwehwɛmu wonsua de but ene no akonya naba se udi sɔfo bi achi ana se wokɔ asɔre bi sɔfo no preachi ensɛm a ɔka akwankyerɛ a ɔyɛ nyame no ama ya kwanya se ordinary person whether say you lay hands on you you anointing you can also do what the person is doing. Only say you believe and you study the word. So usua asɛm na ubetimi aye bibia.
Okay.
But ene no nyame asorefo no mu bi mu a wɔte asɔre no sɛnea me bra kan no ɔma penti ɔmo sɛ dia the all. Obi si ɔno kra ne nyame na to nsa didie.
Obi kra pa no visitation.
Meanwhile nea ɔka sa no kra you cannot quote a Bible verse. Enti ayede na oni nyame edidie ayede na oni nyame ebo nkomo ayede na uchi obi message ekokoma nyame na nyame amamuaye ma odi aba. What are you talking about? Meanwhile asem na wugina so dia yes answer you can't quote it. You quote wrongly. So what I say? But these are the people a enipa bi mu di wo re akwakoshe wo mu so much say o ka se onku ne ho ma nipa na obeku ne ho. Enti no sa wo ka nipa ne ho asem bi a one wonya adwen. Even though sa wo ka nyansa asem ontie. Asem a ye ken ye papa oye nipa. Adwuma a oye hwe dom a ehye nase. Okoda wonna obo mpaye oyese anya den stress ebeche no obetimi ayare. Na mom no to say as oyare na news no about out no who is to believe because already no they see him say he's the one or no they ontimi nyare. So what I say? Because of eniema oyenti any the way the message comes out every day. Na enipa wo hwe nipadua na ebrewo. Nipadua ni ntimi nya dwuma 24 hours. Adan ebedu baby no obre but yesi honam ya wo ho yeti no wura. Se osofu begina wanim na oprichi wa wini quote no kan sama kese edwa na dwa ne mpaso. The way of brand sana wada. Because of say wo ho adwendwen odi ahye ne tirimu na ehu hia say wo sanka ofaka ne bed ho no dia afaka ne bed all is to say wo say approve nipa o ma nipa who say yes I'm powerful. Yes, what I'm talking about, that is it. Enunti emma omu nya time emma omu ankasa omu nipadua no. Wey emma ye no sanka omu gina me ma sorry ameko. Say ya sorry penny bi yarea. We announce it.
Mokam obi at.
Oh yes.
Obi enye obi an wa say ya sorry penny.
Me no wokasa me ma sorry e da oyare. Onu krampo ne ye church secretary oyare financial oka ho. Enti no Sunday one bar so ya announce ye the whole church. Nipa so mesi yare enti wo abetimi kwakosra no. And individually obi akoye kwasra no kobom paye man. That is it. Oya nipa obetimi ayare. Enti si announce wa so ya papa ho mfa no oyare a obi eni ho no ma ye kan say mo ya obe challenge say it's not true. So what I say? Because the message has been sent. But so you ask yourself say why are they hiding it? I don't think I yentimi can publicly. I don't want to nyare. So ye nipa obetumi ayare. Na yare nso de etimi bo bia.
O say me we dey am kakra say for the very fact say we share Reverend Anthony Ojokuachi a oyobi a o ye betumi afren revivalist that say wa cause a sense of revival and na so no ko nsenkyere ni obi bia dance utimi say dance de gibre pa we si asam yare we su mawo we si mayese ti say such power at display was showing the moon. What that to me no? Yare dem bo.
Who is the source of the power?
Also nyame na dem a. Nti nyame no dem a wo wa mu de oni pedua no ti fa bi ma.
Na so we nipa. I know the problem now mo monti ase no.
Share Job in the Bible, Job. Share say Job edi nyame achi fire. But edu mlibi no because of a reason. Nyakopon ma Job ho kwan ma bronsam e bae. Ebe say Job niema eso ne hweye to test me faith. So what I say? And to say we nipa na we nyame nipa no nche say you do miracles so you can do it for yourself. And when for people be say osafo nsa ne ho yare. Obi wo ho a otete hahan oye dro pa. But at the end of the day ono yare a okọ ni other person ho no wa man no edro. Doctors omo hospital omo yare. But doctor bi wo ho no ma ono ne yare no ni school okosuan osuan for 80. Obi suan for a 9, obi suan for a ma, ho yare enho a. Na so otuwe na se wanya you wa friend say prostate. Why one obeko? Obeko specialist a. Why special in that? Say na asofo nso tie. Se wo yasofo na ya miracle, no nche se wo nso yire ntimi nka se onwo. Osofo bi wo ha, omma nkrofo ba. Obom pa ye ama nkrofo enya wo bato no ankasa ne yire. Wo ye. You ask yourself, what are you saying?
10 years na year mu. Ole nsake ka wo so aso be wo.
Sister. Eno nche se nyame mfa ne nya djuma, nyame de ne ye djuma. Eno nche se onye ne fiansa, nyame wo ho no ma owo kwan your test to obi faith. To know say adena o je no. Do you really believe in it? Nia wo je no, o didi say ubetimi aye. And face no say, how will you feel it? Before I bet me the bibi one dance, I just pass it through it. And son, I wait me the one dance. So I won't pass it through it, I want to me one dance. And you are not on a mantle, no. And to say no yaria, and your magician.
And your magician.
Obet me a yarepa.
Obet my
that is it.
Mr. Ben Bush.
Me crowd them, me say, near ordinance lay, or want me. Nyame person will say, how are you?
You don't
control God.
No.
You see, that's what we are doing. We are acting as if we control God. Here we want. And you be see by your win.
Denisi.
You go dinner June, July. Time is so tough. This year is so tough. It's so tough July. Yes. Wow. Last year me can say nyame be share is so nyame. Yeah, you don't determine the time of God though.
So no global warming.
No. I never global. I never whatever me. No matter too much though.
O say seasons na say.
Any seasons. Mami come the job. God in here obi permission. Israel time. Dry season. See, dry season. Or catch a prophet say bompa in so to. Oh yeah, dry season to rain. That's the kind of God we are serving.
Okay.
But I want to say we know God too much. What are we talking about? Check this year out. You're basing against you.
And I say, Bosomi Bakope.
You're basing against you. Check.
And yes, okay.
Yeah, but best share a few women. Corona by for one purpose. Emma Bebriani Bie, or Mania Kata, because of the word religion. Emma Omu who says, Sass of Bebre, Ekasakwa. And Mama who said, maybe war, or yen had your librim,
or the nip pen a
yard.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, 31st night, 2020. As some man, Yamika yen say, or bet Chenny Passer or Yami. This is what he's doing. You don't control God. You can't control God. Power Nanya media man, one of the mile. Wouldn't baby Wouldn't baby and Yami find it to me every year. Who never made the time enough?
Unless I want to
of course, unless now no plan what GBB now who Bonya be saying Yami I'm telling you.
I will go for
no, you see, a crossing the way you find the ignorance of man. After you didn't Yami a chinkofo sika in the name of religion. Nyame nkasa ye emiya. Hwe 31st night by ba kupa me boy nse nyame yi obi odi ni di edisika bia ontua de kanu tua ni generations ka. That's what God is doing.
Okuma nyame o.
Hey, Dabi, ama tio. Obi aqua market. Wa bread the whole year.
Seriously.
Also for when your car 10. Up 5,000 a dozen. 500 Ghana the year money be.
Over 2 million.
What is the purpose of the church? And you need to refer the purpose of the church is to help the poor. Jesus, all preaching on me and on some more Dianidi. One can say Munko Fina Diani. Now or chair you say, oh, quite sorry, the church should feed you.
She also help you.
How many churches are feeding the poor? How many of them?
They are rather taking from the poor.
They are taking from the poor in the name of me not to me prime. Who are you? You are a human being. You are nobody.
And the only thing is that we are lazy in reading. We are lazy in reading to learn ourselves.
No, you see, what I saw for me, but what they do is that I'm using psychology. Or chair will say, or no, your back cannot. Nyame na catch the streets. Yes.
And we also
or no access to God. Meanwhile, no, na ye refi say yes be wu ye no. Curtain na te ye no.
Etimo
bia e say that curtain between God and man has been broken by Christ. So now I have what? Access to God directly. I don't need anybody to go to God. But they are still making us think that way. It will be what Yari Krana was me so forward the one for me son to me so me won't tell me why you nyame. Obit me Yari has said na Joshua Nigeria me pan boss one ko Nigeria they won't talk about no go we. No sir me na me catch up o tu kwa go we. Yes, because nyame patch you say you don't determine his fate. Hey, Yari be o Nyame to me will say you have to die. Obi to me save you. But you won't say ye nyame. That is what it pisses me off.
Okay, but Sesian, I quite said yet. I'm sorry, money bino. Either so woman and woman to a say. And I say woman nim. And woman nim so no person matters will be square. I can't say the same assembly here. And yet, young quiet, yeah, to say a whole reactions about. But according to Asuya Deto for me taking some mono. I said, do na still no. Woman bese, o media to me say, Papa ya nampo, o munim post wo ya recrampa. Woman bese ebe out there.
Minyaba.
Say eba out, what does it mean? Say eba out there so for ya there next.
And even my question to them is, mo problem the same. Say obi ni husu wo say odi nyame atia. Otan ni ade ni ba nipa na beka. Yesu Kristo abra wanya hwe na ye kwa akwachi na kunu no. Then ye onukura wanya hwe no. So if you being a man of God and woni yente eye asase su ha, aye tu ye ni aye hu dan, o kwa aye hu na ye ka ho asem aye dan.
And some got tell it.
So what you say?
What
I'm got tell it.
Daddy, one thing is that me, sister, let me tell you something. A man for the omo ahye asofo bi mu to the stand say, ono ani ma me krempo kasama onte. Wabone mami be ye totally.
Yes, crack as a monte.
Enti no cha say, obi fufuro freche be ka say nipa sumasi okun kra onye ni. Obekwa ma na kunu because of say when you plant samade bi atu na dwen mu a oya na hwe anye den enye wie. I say, let me tell you something. I was dating guy bi a ono okwa asole. And o se mami ye nkwa asole.
Who put you?
Auntie.
I said the pastors.
I was there.
I'm aware. Yeah, quite sorry, dear, poor sister. Sister, now you're quite sorry. Radi Yesu Christo. Ya two nyomo, ya di and first offering, second offering, third offering. Every preaching ye be preaching. Uti dead day ye now shall solid day ni pe gum any dead day. Afoma boy the swa obi atena se me share platform so me hu so obi agina ho pra microphone ya obe preaching. The only thing I was seeing was screen TV. Not knowing say what for what bag free fie. No man kwatena se akọhwe TV. Ni na ya sole. Ofan the bag free fie wa kwaba fole akoyi tight. Obi a wa hwesofo wo screen so akọhwe TV. I want
so for no way.
I want am say massa.
Wada. Oh, like me.
What branch? Don't branches now watete no. Main one no. Other branches they move already was screen.
So for no preach obi antimi preach.
Yes.
Look at that.
Look, and you should be a disciple to
of
others.
Course, your mentality.
You should be a disciple.
Fucking mentality.
Say, and that's often you want to I was saying, we were suffocate with deacons, with deaconess, near the obi to me, and you know what preaching in place of you. So what are you saying?
Not to see it's for the fear, sir. I'm going to make guana.
Who are leader? Now obi to me, you are a failed leader. I'm telling you. Who are leader? Leader, you will be already leaders. Into a new one. You are Yesu. Or buy it. Of course, rank a book. We are leader, DNA, or Yamian.
You should make a disciple.
One, I would be a Yamia bomb. One and Yamia Mointel. One original and preaching. Oh, my access to people to grow. Here, I saw for frustrated in a soft get one. Sir, oh, Master only didn't cast ever ball. Obi was one of my was sorry, money 2 million.
Never
a manto. Software.
Baby, I saw for Jumana Casano and Dumashia. No one question and say your question. You have to wait for the call. Say call and no one. Then you practice it.
Or send you don't know my who receive calling.
And then sister, Obi question and your question Jumana, then who question Jumam. Never son and son and I Jumam.
Some go to 18 cents.
Hey,
I was him.
What question Jumam, what question?
I don't forget what. Whoa, didn't tell Mamma.
I don't know why I'm on the platform.
That 1
year, not what and what opportunity.
Frustration. Me too. Because Mamma can't be sure. I saw one move. Because I do my own want me. What do you mean? And my own for some major move.
I see prophet.
So anybody.
My Ajuma see prophet TB Joshua. One said, well, no problem. As I was saying, what tea so for and I
say commotion and see what commotion is
no so
so you ask yourself say disciple na no do achi no what do you mean?
The difference between the white man and the black man is one thing: greediness. Just say person me kunya ene me person obi yet same. Let me example. Benny, so Benny,
yeah.
All those big people, who are almost ready to continue.
That is it.
Sometimes they are bigger than even when they were alive.
That's
because our succession plan, it does not mean say anybody. It does not mean say anybody because King Saul. Time no tias not always say neba Jonathan na go bedi na ade ba na nyame adwen na nkofofo so mni nyame adwen no nyame se enye ono a
ni nipa adwen
na se po na me kan Bible unim say David the favorite son enye Solomon
I think it's Absalom
the favorite son ono na ya wo no Solomon koto ye no say nyame se fa kola we si akunya no nyame se no me na me choose Otusu Maya.
I feel you go to Solomon.
Gabi Otusu Solomon ya day.
Solomon ye empanabana.
Waya busuoba. Waya empanaba. Benu na nyame chusu ye. And out of Solomon came Jesus. Iti tell sometimes ye nyame no ti na so.
You are theologian.
I feel
I don't think you are saying no. Or saying what did you
oh, to
but everybody else in summer.
Okay.
Ama. What's your sorry?
Yeah.
Nyame na ma vision.
Yeah.
Ba vision here the money pa back no. O ma dom na boa. Onko huntimi nya adwuma no. Nti wo ya cheche. Hwe delegation na yo. Delegate me bro.
As I saw for the man nyama gina o adwuma ni gina o
say no problem.
Ebi wo ha an. Wotimi kwa sorry. Na so for like I say oh. And then the patron ma so for na aka no. Me so mo lie. Na anointing oil. Enti mundi the line so na ebia me ma wa ha. Na we wa ha. You be surprised what people will do. Obi abeko baby asofo no. Na asofo nke to ebia ni put.
Obi an come nche.
Why? Because one woman who said to me be wo nko awoso. Meanwhile, Elijah didn't know. Omo impart power into people. So why you not doing the same? I don't need to know who you.
Sir,
omo who you me kase omo free nyame. Maybe me nyame. But the fact of of the matter is who you need pa, who you are bewu. One delegating power now. Yeah, delegating does not mean you are weak. It means you are wise.
Okay.
Because a juma me wa head also. Make us a metam in na bomb mewu. It is sometimes put me the way see and I way only one a juma no flow. Me boss on him say a juma on me na. It ye way na I didn't flow. I say now yes I mean may you wait me ubewu na juma no.
Bible ne say mon ko wiase aman nyina nkoka sempa no. Your bedi edi no mo na su agya ne oba sunsun.
Thank you.
Then you make a disciple from there.
Thank you.
What it is say nipa na wo bo na su no so akoka nsem na chiro bi. No so aka chiro bi. Eno na Celia from Paul and Barnabas Silas no and Abedria.
That's all for no akofo mo abetena ha.
That's sister. And you know say if you are a disciple and you cannot make a disciple,
you fail. You will fail. I can see any me was so for be on ma me so whoop asori na gu
sir
asori kese organ and no whoop asori na gu the succession plan
sister look at a member typical example
succession plan
look at asoria there be returning teacher leaders changing leaders me my church that are perfect but your more leader tenacity for more than 3 years every 2 years you change say I have look away now or there we back officers chairman yes and every chairman yes system and you know I know back for no who say this is the sole personal but when I so proprietorship and to one year and I say a band a woman be a minute in me fee ne baby 3 months now I got up band some rubber band yeah actually na odi asha kwala ne nsa na esunti no bu mutu the whole night akwala na nsu ne ho ye so all of a sudden na as a convulsion ti akwala no obi ehu ade a fa de kwashe baifo wo rush akwala ndi do hospital the only thing a nurse ni ye first e no cut band na senior band na twa baby no all in the name of faith
obi the picture ball or say picture dey enye yesu o picture dey mu pe a me how you let hey say na who say David na who say ya waye no what can you make am kese e
what's ensu mo honi
what's the jealous god o
ensu mo from come
no pray
hwe na me kan na wa ha enye kwam so wo bia be ya hu say nyame bia nyame bekun e simple nyame no ompe ni nkumo ompe me no ba me on share the glory
oni side chick
o my main man
oni side chick
and a main woman it mamu nye say woni mi esi obetimi hwe picture o se me hwe picture ndem ya ya dibeko nipa picture no ye no
that secret mi be pie mu
nipa picture
ujidi enyonkwa
so o hwe picture no bo nyame a wo try
and then you for bible to na bo ba nyame din ama ye yare
what's a bad scripture we also for but I say you try there will be a
faith na be kan ho asem
that be there will be a friend say tapping into covenant
into what tapping
that be o say was for bia no according to yesom no ye gidi say was for no on tibi so me so keke nyina so bi oni nyame apapam bi enu na so fudie no edina so enti say ayaresa pam a say na moto na so fudie tumi nya no ayaresa dance be na musa enti say obi say o akoto calendar fi asori na calendar na year calendar year bia na so for enimbo bi no o say o me hu fa me na me hwe calendar me hwe so no me hu so from to nyame a oni mi so fa kwa pam samiabia send you on some ni so for
jere no say Yesu Kristo abewu ma adasa samiare na Yesu samiare
Nyankopon or a respecter of covenant
na covenant some measurement ni nyame akobi apam ni baba ni nyame
woni di die sa
woni di die asua
edu aso
David woni di die asua baby in Christ see I see training obia to know who Christ is.
Say I say baby o.
Ana
wo so
typical example.
Wo trom dey. But I don't trom.
Ama example. Abraham, Paul and then Barnabas. Wa call Antioch no. Or papa wana oshia omokwan. na ono introduce o ma kire kroman no eden na mu siye sa nipa no na busuafo didi ne ho esanse tumi a no de ye adwuma no enti no ohu o no di kan ya introduce o thinking say they will also accept her na ye yini ma and o casting no away when my who say we have spirit familiar spirit they behave partial spirit they behave like
God. I'm telling you.
I was say uma wani da ho hwe say obi kan sam kiro obi si kokum maame ada na untina say nwe ho the reason to asi kokum maame obi aka chaw say obekwa brochire tina say na bi sa ho say ewrade me nua bi ani abrochire
abrochire gra me ko be kwa ene
eduma be na me kwa yo ma me so kwadofo ebi manda ya ma me piota kra me ton boka
no you met me aso
enti no den na me kwa no makoye se what I say na wabisa na nyame no ni ono hwa ebeboa wo no na de amount na what me survive so what I say ma yenye so illiterate say na ye be kan bia na accept sa na ye ya illiterate ni ebe kan bia that is all de ebe kan bia eno ano no ye ha ya ho enhwehwe mu hu se ne ye kan no eyampa anase enyampa ni eti ye bi si
obetimi quote
eno na ya ye mbu kata sa
Jesus and Mary in Genesis na sorry for what would you mean obetimi fe oba no wa sorry dem obetimi da oba tu e wa sorry dem ya jimi jimi
obi tu owo crash na nu
yes
break you deliverance
ayo na entire said yeah ka konisi ano sorry for no die ba no so mo nyemfa se wo mu peni a wo yare no
sir what to say
me can say because ebetie ba ne say ebi mu wo a se na me kan be baby in Christ wo mu ti bi se a na bo mu so for cramp o di me nimpo no ayare ni se me cramp de me yare be de me se de ni nyina e bia entire say sorry no mo do mo
nya me be bisa sankofo ni nyina
so mo de nyo mo fom
nya me be bisa o mu nyina afi wo so for penny no se nya otete na ma se ne ma ne hwew o mo hwew no o mo hwe nyame Moses nkofo ne yae na ene no ye what did you see ho wa kese hwe me Moses o was nyame se hwe dua no representing Christ was ye hwe Yesu ma ye hwe nipa Moses na oye so powerful God what you say nyame se mo hwe me na mo beto mo ba nyame ka chen se de was fa owo no satam na owo no kika for owo no na fa sign edua so obi owo beka na obehwe dua no obenya nkwa that time na nyame practice say a time is coming that I'm bringing what a savior nyame on pese ehwe nipa sa na ese ekira sorry for no say wo gira de ka job say mimie nipa o metimi awu metimi ai mama hwe me wonhwe Christo ni njai sa na mana ye
direct mom say you are also working under the grace.
You are even
you are not the grace.
You are not the grace.
So you are working under the grace.
From the mark about maybe the way that the Bible no full of stories of the lives of people who have lived their faith life. Do na preach you cry tell so for when you to Abraham na kwa so no nyame na nteshie fi ho. Like it has been that since the beginning. You are always being taught to learn from
what you're saying.
Examples.
No, what you're saying is different.
Me too.
Who catch me say for when you to abrabo Paul boy ya. And different from no. Different from say who catch me say me go Paul picture na me area. Say me area sir. Two different things.
Yeah, very true.
Say who catch me say me hwe obi suban. Say nia owo gidie wo nyamim. Say nia onanti wo training mu. Say nia born e bra e pleasing nyame a. You are right. Because when nipa metimi adwe nipa. Ba catch me say me go hwe sa nipa because nyame tumi wo no so na menya nkwa dia. I'm telling you, lie bad. I'd rather go and look at the author and finisher of my faith, who is Christ, and who will give me one life.
Who give you life?
Simple.
Okay, on this note, we say, Anaya, shame him say, Papa no, nyame be na dom na, wato, abun so gun sunes.
Oh, nyame adom na ho ebeton. The members no mo starting coffee nkwasara no. Na mo so mo bom paye ni bi ma.
Na last chance nyame man ni o. Last chance ni o. Oba biema. Oma sorry for ni hu say nyame no ye nipa nya hwe
oba oyo bi odi nyame wada
me nyame ka sa say me nim no
Oh, so won't you? He's a preacher of righteousness.
Me casa, me tia me patch say. I didn't na nkofo believe say oyare because omo hu say untimi nyare oni nyame ya pe untimi nyare the next time oba catch up say mamu mayare kami bewu enyi nyame akamawu ti say no obi odi ni gidi ahye mu bi onji fi mi mu
okay
na mu hwe nyame yesu no beje anu
no ampa na ye twa ekomo no so yenko hwe eye Prophet Nigerian so na kache ko kakra wokoye interview kakra ko motwetwe mu utimi se still na no IGP Dr. George Kufu Dampare nensema one sumpeni foko nshimdi a ode ehun tutu so better about it and is also the better about it say na obe professor ya na be da about na ye ehun asem de amanfo better amanfo be amanfo apohu na say hunya pa so be koje either court permit na say wo kan say no bia we produce evidence to use asem na ehano enti wasa be kire mu pa de enti a wono akasa tia wo say if you want to make laws about prophetism, you don't invite Anglicans. With all due respect, they are all part of the clergy, but have no idea about what we do. I am a prophet. Bishop Salifu Amwako, Bernard L. Bernard, Papa Owusu Bemba, and others are all there. Sally were not invited. Don't you think, sir, he has a point here, because one more, they are noted for giving such prophecies about the nation. Who has doomed prophecies or who only the bad news. No, none of them were heard to have been invited to a conference and are sitting with the IGP. No, assuming penny for no. We heard of Christian Council, Pentecostal Charismatic Council, National Chief Imam, so national but we never heard of say maybe prophets in being why don't you go straight to the people I want ask them na
see this was say you bisa say somebody
one year bisa no
Nigerian
prophet Nigerian
I was say you bisa no say bodies na your friend emu ne wa no belong to because the whole Ghana yentimi fresh association ni nyina sa organization mu nipa nyina enkoho and the leaders and I picky and no call ye. And no near who join no. So you're Muslim near Muslim leader na ya fan a call ye no. Or no, or best selling information no. I'm say ya call ye no. Say na kwakowi. Na Anglicans na wakano. Sister, they have prophet oh.
Also I'm professor.
They have prophets.
No, he doesn't know what he's talking about.
In their midst, the only thing is they don't come out like this.
Thank you.
I am a Church of Pentecost member. We have prophets.
Don't you have prophets in your
church? We
church?
have prophets.
Thank you.
My area.
Oh, prophet for
that's
the
my area. Area head. Or your prophet. David, we don't do that. Our church, some prophets, shampoo, basa, we don't do because we don't believe, say, I was say we do Gideon Nipa no elder na pastor no. And for Gideon Shin, we yan tressa. And see our prophet, say you be a chairman. Prophet for Koshia bomb pay. Na a dino abba, aside that no, a son say a nipa, epic confirmation. Now one person be say ya connection to no. As so for you now sign Koshia. No matter what aba ni nyame di ni din ba ye na siso pepepe
sir
I'm telling you, but our prophets don't come out to do this, but we have prophets in the church. They are also teachers, they are also evangelists, they are also pastors omo eye and niema, but if you see them decent oh omo nye say but onu no hu say they are the prophets omo ba out for hyper trending.
Where's up a hype?
Prophet
Swag.
Swag one prophet.
You see, what
ministry?
See. We have prophets. We have pastors. Ne nyina in Ghana ha. So what it was sorry at the end of the day, I was said who belonging to some umbrella. Umbrella now will belong to ye leaders. Enti some leaders na e wo ho no. Say your friend meeting national meeting.
Some association.
Enti no say na
Amudino.
Oh, you're from
Association of Prophets of Doom.
I
Doom Prophets.
Sure. And you on joining me.
So I'm joining.
So I'm joining me.
That's a Doom.
I
meeting. I didn't stop Doom. I didn't Doom.
Nili dani ko meeting no. Obema be bona man. Ama, yeti hey. Na say ye frɛ for meeting a. Ye frɛ say medias ni nyina mo bra for meeting. Enye obi a no beko. Ye be fa heads. You better pick one from every media station. Thank you. Enti mo kona mo ba. Now the information na ko ho ni na e dia ba. Enti se baby on the camp no baby obi no get no wan ko ho no mo bi on join bi dia bi on kwa join ni. No go get information e wo ho. And one thing about it, say oya confirm me asem a Shatawale e kan no. And am so many call prison. And ne ya papa dampare e kan oya me ye dia ya juma.
E kwan ben so.
E kwan ben so ne se say what my young say won't me and show so in prophecy.
So Becca.
Into your becho.
Your becho.
Now your becho, your becho.
Your becho.
I was so fear and panic. Your becho. When most fear and panic no ebe did you on account to.
Your becho so up trending. Your man
ebe did you on account to.
Your man trending.
This year 31st night.
Your man trending.
I'm not for Becca one prophecies.
Baby Mr. Ben Cruz I'm also here. Yen sheno e wo kwan we so. They are notable prophets. Woman didn't come she be saba. Yeah, terminal as doom prophets. No, and the name somebody say IGP or share some meeting or she shares some meeting. And wouldn't it have been better, say, Wobe calling on board the stakeholders are noted prophets. Yeka Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempanomo, Yeka Prophet Najigezemo, Eagle Prophet. Woman ni yata take to one consha. Yesi webe untika who from Moa. Nake unso okay, and I said what kind of straight on hand. Now after bodies in praying for Nugampono. Most of them we don't even know them. And even if they have such even if they have such ministry as Prophet Mukapa, they are operating in a way until say a problem. Ghana for you complaining about them. Those that have been problem no. None of them were at the meeting. And today I said, was it a way forward and now standing at one place and now finding some way to intimidate them? Because I said, ocean in another way, the upper channel, it makes sense. And
which sense? I'm trying to get him, but I don't understand.
I'm saying, say.
No, I've gotten what you want to say. But what I don't understand is what is wrong with him?
What is wrong with who?
Nigel. Trying to know Nyana Hano Wong.
We say we are near about
Mommy, glad to you. Disciples Nanyami, yes, Giant. How many of them were prophets?
And yeah, me to be found. I know we apostles. There is more operating in all the fivefold ministries.
See, Mommy can't be being sure. Prophecy, you can be a prophetess.
Yeah.
Right now.
Oh yeah, me.
God can assign on you and you give up. No, you see, it's a specialized institution. Who told you that?
But I said a specialized.
Who told you?
It's a serious office.
No, who told you?
From
yeah, just
time we don't know.
From time in memory,
Mommy can be sure. Those times, Pentecost, every grand now knew. Yeah, bomb paya. Nyame won't miss tissue beer or beer. Was that not prophecy?
It's prophecy.
Was that not prophecy?
It's prophecy. Got to a time it was being manipulated. When I started like.
Because human
being. Oh yeah, then who say it's being manipulated? Because of say you have the discernment of the spirit.
And I said that you say somebody in 419. Who you say 419? Mommy can be sure. Mommy can be sure. Christian Council meeting. They're afraid the Muslim community. What a boy.
Representative from the National Chief Imams of.
Thank you.
And no just say, "Hey Christopher, ye nyachum." They say you greedy. What you need to Christopher be back on. Sometimes to even call myself a Christian.
I didn't.
Because you're super in the church say, oh no, I'm being frank with you today. You can say Christian can say one way and see. I'm not a Christian.
I'm a Christian.
Is he not a Christian?
He is.
It's so also papa, not a Christian.
Oh, say
Oh, no, hold it. Yeah, Kasa TV Mama. Who does he represent? It's not the Muslim community.
Yeah.
It's a Christian council about you don't belong to them. If what you are doing you think is right, why don't you belong to them?
O say woni mu asema, kasi menim na mu.
Asema no. O branch say, wonu ni asem. Umum na ne Ghana, enya asem.
Samu.
Of course. Because fear and panic, ya nhwe ohusu be paso na you a lawyer all the dada. Yeah, for a reason.
That's true.
Because I didn't know you might think say solve a problem, but you are creating problems.
Okay.
Ya gadi aso for we ya. Nyom de be Ghana no e be say Rwanda.
Ama for chese kan wa wa ma.
Any prophecy o. Unim e fie mo ma say. Obi ono okasa no okachi obi say ni kunu e debe e ma ware na say. Unim niama ise mo. Unim e fie aware o ma gu. Unim. No be for us prophet. Prophet a un kan niama mom. Na de be ha me say niama with your prophecies. Is it from God? Nyamina minimum no unless somebody tell me nyamia sisa. Wo bi ne yire wo prophet e chese e ya ne na me wanwa. Wo bi wo ha he okoware omu ade. Oba wo na se ese nyame susu picture se akwara omu ade. Ejo kacha mse mi kunu e ha me kacha se kwana ko bu ade. Ukunu obeja wo ha.
Ade bu awu muntia.
Good. Now what can you say? Oh, don't worry. Me bompa na mama oyi udu wa onu aduane fa gum. Oni enkofo kunu omo awu because of omo. I didn't know you poison or kuno. But in the name of prophecy, wo kuno because mama can be sure. Ewiase wo ewiase amwe. Common sense nyame man for a purpose. Say nyame nim say prophecy so be bibia come common sense.
You're correct.
Wo say nipa na ba, we social matter. Obi ni maame asema ba. Hwe ye kase o maame po ye benfo a. Ukoku ni padua na. The spirit within the person no still lives. And spirit no eno na ye adwuma no. Etu kajem so mi koku mi maame a, se minim Bible ni maame hu se wo kra no nya papa.
O maame ye wa e bia kase bia okati a o maame a ye ne ya. E no di ye die kase bi du wachi. Entu papa ne cho no kan chaw.
Those times crowd here him say ye kase obi maame ye say what on to my channel. Entuma ni nya bro. Entuma no to channel. Ade ti e wa yama na ye ne yam ojamu.
E ma ne ka.
Enye so e befo. Maame be na e befo. Maame owo no ye befo. Na wo so for odina ho de sa wo nya befo sa.
Ye bi.
Wo prophesy
vacuum is.
Ya bi ama. Wo ye nya careful. Ese no ka no oni ni o ka.
Wo yi wo ho.
Mami nkoti na asem ko say ohun da say so for yituo agosi obi so say enkom sheti
osu bempa yitu anko we fi
and they say na prophetically connected and they say wentu na suom te ohun to mo ase da
na so ntimi show who to that extent
and then is ebufa mami dey different and dey different
okay society Bibi papa ya na Miss Bell abeka ya say prophecy and your two and
ni ayatro ayatro ko de ya po atro to no so abeka no ko say papa no aya aja wana ya pa o twa to no so
ya de
oni presidency cramp one because
can Japan get on the president da was one no cry bi no force no what do you see go one say ma we bi na eya na me bu afu no say who are you to determine the fate of Ghana? Who are you? Obey me a foco. I'm telling you today. Wow, near my way on my no. I know that air bomb I know. Time I say ye share on mine ye kono. Now you spend time on this useless talk.
On this useless.
Can't go for accommodation. She near my ACC. You confront me into fees. I know there and no. What sorry? So who says I can confront 600? I can say me share na ni TV station. Then me am say change channel. Ni pardon me bu ho. Wo je correction 116 is kwa. Ka betu me hwe confront bebre. Eno nya no. Bros ro.
Hey, no bros.
Mo twen.
Yo, we come on baby ya ni santi usu say asmo be kan ma ITP fan now at least one share na on pe one sem kan ye fancy but your empress intietie mu.
na sema okay we ya GP van ya hwe ne ya be ka no yaka ya set the ball straight say what ya da ho so masa ya ka ya no pa memfa o de kotra ya be chew want me mountain e ma me ka cho say papa say ya ka in general o be hye nkom obi ansisu hye nkom but men hye emfa fear and panic emma o ko hye nkom obi akotwe sikere ko gina ni nuaso ne papa so ye be chew enti so to wey say ya hye nkom aka cho so ma me bi na ye o de na fear and panic no akọ report o ti me report em ye che sofo no enti so nim say ne ye ka no enko yie ma no na emwa no aka se ntu ni hofo ansana are too late because papa na wa ba no de no nonsense man say ye set niam straight oma ye buka no man na ye too much and they see say emra na wo ho no so no omu tua fa so they feel say they above the law and you know emra no trum say this is what is there na ye nyabu so nche say emra ni o man no emra no wo wa sorry no operate but eniam say na guide o enti du lane na emra ni so di ni lane no bia asum dwemra etisa na utwa kochia obi di obecho
na bacho Mr. Pembroke also the final words na bond to funny face
me de nya meka ne se Ghana fo muma ye ni ye jimia che asofo ya me jimia che hwe Bible no woni ma kenkan gra twi de wo ho se kwa de fofo audio but pa ye na nya me ma discerning spirit Oma ni tusu no entra Bible ni hey who problem bia wa kokoto de mu hia so fo bia bompa ye nyame be sa yare nya wo bia wo wiase wo be sa yare wo kwa so dem a tie salvation no na hia me hey ka ye de kwen eda ye de kwen
wo be weja
but salvation na ye eternal life ne me ne wo ma ye ni pa do ye ni pa ho ne ye nya salvation
forget ye be na busa for ma bedwa for na mate wo mo Mr. Ben Bruce ye biem so no Empress and na me hwe mo pass me kan ho na dwede mu ne ye koye wo komodie mu ma se bi etimi eto din wo ma dwenkire emu ba ni nia mu no me nya bre ankin kan adwenkire ne nse bisa ma ni nia mu no me ni wo mpa bia me de ye community ye shop pass wo hwe e de chi a na ye bedru de wa sem bi se bia no wenya anu yie na maka ne sewie no me da mo so asese mo stay up na mo share ye abedi se pepesori ID esinyam kopon koso a ehwa mo na editors ni engineers a ewechi wo mo so enyo mo de ewo ho na mi nhiro mo dwuma pa mo de tai chi ne me cameraman DK mo no so abo dwuma pa na mi enhira na ebusuafo kosisi be se hwe bi mi din na ama owusu a bo mo de na subscribe to Tuma GH na ebiem so share your videos on other social media platforms. Wait me and follow you on Instagram, Twitter so at Tuma GH.
What's your favorite food here?
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
If you want to eat any food, you have to come to Oseko Munyani Park.
You can come and have a taste of their food. It's very nice.
I always come here. This is like my 10th time of coming here.
Local dishes, aduane bia, aduane pa bedidi.
Wa o hwe nam na wele ye made bibia na bia di wo aha na Steven Apia bedidi a ekọ viral no I would order aduane you are bringing it right there at your doorstep enti aduane pa fie mum na mo be aduane pa na ha na aduane papa wo ye wo East Legon boundary road opposite the self-filling station.